Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to discuss condensation reactions. What is the simplest definition of condensation reaction? When two similar or different compounds they react to give new larger compound with or without removal of carbon dioxide or water molecule. So there are many types of condensation. I am going to discuss aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? When two aldehydes, these aldehydes may be of similar type or different. Well, here I am taking acetaldehyde, the carbonyl group, the carbon which is attached with carbonyl group is called as alpha carbon, and the hydrogen attached to this carbon is called as alpha hydrogen. So this aldehyde contain alpha hydrogen, and this aldehyde also contain alpha hydrogen. So the aldehydes contain alpha hydrogen, they react with each other in the presence of dilute base to give this product. If we see this product, there is an aldehydic group and there is an alcoholic group. So collectively we can call this aldol. So aldol is formed by the condensation of aldehydes. If we talk about ketone, this is acetone, also contain alpha hydrogen. So these ketones, they undergo condensation in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, and this product is formed. This product is not called as aldol because there is no aldehydic group. Alternatively, we can name it as 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanol. Now let us talk about the mechanism. Consider the first reaction in which acetaldehyde is involved. So this acetaldehyde, sodium hydroxide undergo dissociation, produce hydroxide ion. These hydroxide ion act as base. So they take alpha hydrogen and the bonded electron shifted on carbon, producing carbon ion. This carbon ion is highly unstable species. So this carbon ion attack on the carbonyl group of other aldehyde. So if we see the reaction, this carbon ion attack on this carbonyl carbon, first of all I am going to write this. So this molecule is written with this, with oxide ion with negative charge, and now the group coming towards this aldehyde is this carbon ion is written later. So this complex is formed which take hydrogen from water molecule, and this aldol is formed. So this is the general mechanism and the simple mechanism of aldol condensation. Now question arises, can we take different aldehydes in this reaction? So that if we take different aldehydes, this is called as mixed aldol condensation. For example, if we take acetaldehyde, what is the name of this? Acetaldehyde, and the name of this is propanaldehyde. So if we take these two aldehydes in the same condensation reaction, then we obtain more than one product. Why these products are obtained? Well, there are two chances that this base take alpha hydrogen from this acetaldehyde, then this product is formed. If the base take alpha hydrogen from propanaldehyde, then this B structure is formed. So in mixed aldol condensation, more products are formed. Well, we can also take aldehydes and ketones in the same condensation reaction, and again we obtain mixture of product. This is called as aldol condensation. So there is another term. What is crotonaldehyde? When aldol undergo reaction with dilute HCl and the mixture is heated, then water is removed and we obtained alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is called as crotonaldehyde. So this is aldol condensation, and if we do not compare Cannizzaro reaction, then the concept remain incomplete. What is Cannizzaro reaction? When certain aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen, as formaldehyde do not contain alpha hydrogen. So when these aldehydes are treated with same base, then these aldehydes do not undergo condensation, rather they undergo self oxidation reduction reaction, and this reaction is termed as Cannizzaro reaction. So in this reaction, what happened? One aldehyde undergo reduction while the other aldehyde undergo oxidation. So as a result of this reaction, we obtain an alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid. If we treat formaldehyde, then we obtain methanol and sodium formate. Benzaldehyde also contain no alpha hydrogen and undergo similar type of reaction, and we get benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. If we see the mechanism, so base, as we get earlier, sodium hydroxide associated to form hydroxide. This hydroxide only have one path to attack on carbonyl carbon, as there is no alpha hydrogen. Is there any alpha hydrogen? No. Okay, this hydroxide attack on this carbonyl and this structure is formed, and if you see the green lines, rearrangement undergo, this negative electrons, these are shifted between oxygen and carbon, and this hydrogen along with bonded electron attack on the other aldehyde. So if you see this green line, this product is formed as formic acid, and this hydride result in the formation of methoxide. This methoxide act as strong base. This strong base take H from the formic acid, and formate ion is formed which react with this sodium present in the solution to form sodium formate and methyl alcohol. This is the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction involving formaldehyde. So this is all about aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you very much.